Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the lag in Call of Duty Vanguard. Let's get into it. First, check your connection speed. The first step is to see how fast your internet for the game. If there is a delay, the game will feel slow. Open the game menu, go to the Account and Network tab, and look for the numbers next to latency. Watch these numbers. If they are high, it means your internet is struggling to keep up. Because knowing if the problem is your internet or your computer helps you pick the right fix. It ensures you will have a clear solution for this. Next, open the Task Manager. Now you need to look at what else your computer is doing in the background. Other programs can steal the power that your game needs to run fast. Press the Control, Alt, and Delete keys on your keyboard at the same time, or simply right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Look at the list of programs that are currently running. Even if you can't see them, other apps might be working behind the scenes. This tool lets you see exactly what is eating up your computer power. Find any heavy task, like a web browser with many tabs or another big app in the list. Right-click it and select End Task. Close the Task Manager and go back to your game to see the difference. By stopping these extra tasks, you are giving all your computer's energy to the game. Now your Vanguard match is fixed, and you are ready to play without any lag. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.